Welcome! In this video I'll show how you can download and install the DeepSeek application on an Android device. So at the start, you will need to launch the Google Play Store app, then open search, and here type in the DeepSeek. Once this particular app is found, open its app page, now press the install button and allow some time for it to be well downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can launch the app, sign up for a DeepSeek account, and well, start using the application. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.